What's up guys, welcome back to part 3 of the How to Earn Money with Crypto series. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2 yet, then you can find their links in the description below. So in the previous 2 videos, we talked about 10 different ways you can earn money with crypto. And in today's video, we will continue that trend and we'll try to cover more ways of earning money with crypto. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The number 1 method in today's video is esports betting with cryptocurrency. In the gaming sector, esports are gradually overtaking the popularity of conventional sports. In fact, in the United States alone, a remarkable number of people have watched certain events, surpassing the Super Bowl's viewership. That's why you can also put money on esports just like you would on a real-world sporting event. Since crypto betting is still relatively new to many bookies, the odds they provide can be extremely appealing. If you have even a passing familiarity with the esports industry, you can use this to your advantage and make a tidy profit. Crypto affiliate marketing. If you are knowledgeable about cryptocurrency and have a passion for the industry, you may also find success as an affiliate marketer. You can consider establishing a website on which you evaluate serious trading tools and exchanges. You can also examine various wallets. You might even consider creating a website that teaches people how to mine coins and provide links to online stores selling electronic goods. Because mining rigs can get quite pricey and a lot of people are interested in learning how to mine cryptocurrency, this might enable you to make a significant amount of money. Crypto trading bots. A cryptocurrency trading bot is a piece of software that communicates directly with cryptocurrency exchanges on your behalf, placing buy or sell orders based on the information provided by the markets. Bots can make these decisions because they are able to monitor changes in market prices and respond in accordance with a set of criteria that have been preset and pre-programmed. A trading bot will often examine many aspects of market activity, including volume, orders, price, and time. In addition, they can be customized to your specific preferences and tastes through the use of programming. These days, a large number of cryptocurrency trading platforms give traders access to a diverse selection of crypto trading bots, all of which are designed to make the trading process as streamlined as possible. Therefore, before choosing a certain bot, be sure to conduct your own independent research. Run Masternodes for cryptocurrency. One of the most common strategies to earn passive money from cryptocurrency is to run crypto masternodes. These are full nodes that encourage operators of various nodes to carry out their tasks in the operation of a blockchain. In other words, a masternode is a cryptocurrency full node or a computer wallet that keeps a real-time record of the actions on a blockchain. Many cryptocurrencies compensate node operators for keeping a real-time record of their transactions on their native blockchain. Because the process is difficult and needs masternode operators to maintain a specified minimum quantity of coins, most crypto platforms prefer to outsource the operation to masternode operators for a fee. Make content for cryptocurrency. Over the course of the past 10 years, content has evolved into one of the most efficient methods for conveying any message to your present or prospective customers. Content is the best way to introduce a new product or service. Since the majority of initiatives in the cryptocurrency industry are conducted online, content marketing is particularly important in this industry. Therefore, it is probable that it will not be possible to contact the target demographic through the use of conventional marketing methods. This is where the opportunity lies. You can make videos, infographics, or written content for many cryptocurrency brands. Yours, Y'alls, and Steemit are just a few of the websites that provide content writers working in the cryptocurrency field with regular employment opportunities. That was all for today's video. It is to be noted that the opinion expressed in this video is not investment advice. It is provided for informational purposes only. Every investment and all trading involve risk, so you should always perform your research prior to making decisions. This channel does not recommend any investments. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section. Moreover, if you're new and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any helpful or informative daily video. Thanks for watching, and best of luck!